Hi guys! Part 3. I mean, part 3, yes, part 3. Part 3 of singing heart attack. First heart attack, okay? Nakasang na ako ng the 30s and gold. Now heart attack. Lost in my love, but there's a lot of belong, and there's no one else to blame. So I scared to take off and run. I'm glad to look at the sun, and a bird should fly. You make me glow. Body cover up from that show. So if I ever did that, I'd feel my heart attack. Well, since marami pa tayong time, ano naman, New York. Living in New York, comfort to our dreams are made of. There's nothing that you love from New York. This streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Here from New York, New York, New York.
Pero all good naman na lahat doon. Gusto lang
I'm actually the rich girl. I'm a rich girl.
Kung ano pa,
I'm a rich
nakapending
girl.
pa, kung nakapending pa yung ticket, pwede mo siyang
Already
i-change.
been so
Parang pwede mo siyang i-update. Kaya lang kung mga sold na, no need na.
Laguna,
Or
Cavite,
moving forward na lang.
Boracay, Iloilo.
Basta, kung ba,
Tagaytay,
nakita mo na may
ilang
comment
hotel?
dito, check mo na lang kung pwede pa siyang ma-update. Para kung sakaling mabunod
And
siya sa QA, at
Oceanara.
least na-update mo na siya.
Or, and Quezona.
Pero kung ano na,
Santa
wala
Rosa.
na, hindi na magagawa, hindi na may edit, ayun. So,
Ah.
ano na lang, sa next na. Dito parang sa
Bye,
mga
guys.
ko na, ito, gaya ito, yung sa
Makakita ng class mo to, ako si Freya.
Kasi sabi ni Jeff, dapat daw lahat ng
Bye.
field